When your Aura frame displays an offline message or fails to connect to Wi Fi, systematic troubleshooting can resolve most connectivity issues. Let's start with the most common problem indicators. First, verify the frame is properly powered. Check that the power adapter is securely connected to both the frame and a working electrical outlet. Next, perform a simple reboot of your Aura frame. Unplug the power cord, wait about 10 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears temporary glitches and refreshes the connection. If the frame is still offline, check your Wi-Fi router. Reboot your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. This resolves many network connectivity issues. Using the Aura app, verify that your frame is attempting to connect to the correct Wi-Fi network. If needed, forget the network and re-enter the password to refresh the connection credentials. Check signal strength by moving your frame closer to the Wi-Fi router. Ensure your router supports the 2.4 GHz band, which most Aura frames use, though newer models like Walden and Aspen also support 5 GHz. If all previous steps fail, a factory reset may be necessary. However, remember that this will permanently erase all content on your frame, so use this as a last resort after trying all other troubleshooting methods. Following these systematic troubleshooting steps should resolve most Aura frame offline and Wi-Fi connectivity issues. Start with simple solutions like power and reboot checks before moving to more complex network diagnostics. When your Aura app isn't working properly or photos aren't syncing, there are several systematic troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve these issues. First, ensure all your photos are in JPG format. The Aura app primarily supports JPG files, and using other formats like PNG or HEIC may cause upload errors or sync failures. Check that the Aura app has all necessary permissions on your device. This is especially important for iOS users. The app needs access to your photos, storage, and network to function properly. For Android users experiencing app issues, try force stopping the app and clearing its cache. This resolves many common problems by removing temporary files and resetting the app's state. If clearing cache doesn't resolve the issue, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Aura app. This provides a fresh installation and often fixes persistent problems. For Google Photos sync issues, confirm that Auto Add is enabled for the relevant albums within the Aura app. You can select specific albums or enable automatic syncing for new photos. Important update for 2025, changes to the Google Photos API initially threatened auto-sync functionality, but Aura has worked with Google to maintain this feature. Ensure your Aura app is updated to the latest version to maintain full compatibility. If all troubleshooting steps fail to resolve your Aura app or sync issues, contacting Aura customer support is recommended. They can provide personalized assistance and help with warranty claims if needed.